Okay, Amma, continuation class. So, Sommerfield's modification of Bohr's theory. So, in this case, the principal quantum number is n. Okay, already we have discussed in case of Bohr's theory, that is the principal quantum number is n. And here I would like to consider the orbital quantum number is L. Okay, so whenever the electrons revolving around the elliptical orbit, okay, with the nucleus is one of its foci. Okay, so in this case what will happen, one is a radial angular momentum and one is a transverse angular momentum. So here the principal orbital number is already n and the orbital quantum number is L. Okay, so here it is what, Nano? It is the elliptical path. Okay, elliptical path. Okay, the electron is revolving around the nucleus in an elliptical path according to Sommerfeld. So that is why here I am considering the orbital quantum number. The orbital quantum number value is L. Okay, so here he has given the value of L. L is equals to 0 to n minus 1. L is equals to 0 to n minus 1. If n is equals to 1 state, if n is equals to 1, then what is the value of L? L is 0. If n is equals to 2, then what is the value of L? 2 minus 1, 1 means L is equals to 0 comma 1 means whenever the principal quantum number value is 2, then the orbital quantum number existed in 2 states, 0 comma 1 state. And if n is equals to 3, then L will be existed in 3 states. N is equals to 4, L will be existed in 4 states, that is 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. And he has given the electron states of the nucleus, that if L is equals to 0, it is s orbital. If L is equals to 1, it is p orbital. If L is equals to 2, it is d orbital. Means L is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. He has given the electron states like this. Means L is equals to 0, it is s orbital. L is equals to 1, p orbital. 2, d. 3, f. 4, g. s, p, d, f, g. So these are the orbitals, corresponding orbitals. Okay, according to the value of L, there are the corresponding orbitals. Okay, for example, first I would like to consider the equation, that is n is equals to 1 and L is equals to 0. So in this case, what is happened to the electron states? So here, just remember the formula. The formula is B by A is equals to, okay, B by A is equals to L plus 1 by N is equals to K by N. So here K is the azimuthal quantum number or azimuthal quantum number or orbital quantum number. L and K both are same. It is azimuthal quantum number. Okay, K is what, Nana? Azimuthal quantum number. Okay, here A is a semi-major axis. Okay, A is a semi-major axis. So semi-major axis of the ellipse, B is the semi-minor axis of the ellipse. So now first condition is n is equals to 1 and L is equals to 0. Substitute it. B by A is equals to L is equals to 0. 0 plus 1 by 1 is equals to, okay, see here 0 plus 1 by 1, it is equals to 1. So that means B by A is equals to 1. That means A is equals to B. So semi-major axis is equals to semi-minor axis. It represents the circle. Okay, represents the circle with the condition of L is equals to 0 and N is equals to 1. So L is equals to 0 means what? It is 1s orbital. Okay, in 1s orbital there is an existence of circle like this. Okay, so now next condition is what, Nana? Next this one, N is equals to 2, then L is equals to 0. One condition, N is equals to 2 and L is equals to 1. There are two conditions left over here, because whenever n is equals to 2, there is a splitting of two values. L is equals to 0 comma 1. So n is equals to 2, L is equals to 0. First I would like to substitute. It is B by A is equals to, what is the value of L? L is equals to 0 plus 1 by 2. Then it is equals to 1 by 2. So B by A is equals to 1 by 2. That is B is equals to A by 2. Already I told you, A is a semi-major axis, B is a semi-minor axis. So semi-minor axis is a half of the semi-major axis. So here, okay, keep it aside. Next coming to n is equals to 2 and L is equals to 1. So whenever n is equals to 2, L is equals to 1, see, substitute in the equation B by A. B by A is equals to L is equals to 0. What Nana? L is equals to 1 plus 1 by N is equals to 2. Okay, 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 2 by 2 gets cancelled, it is 1, means again A is equals to B. So in case of N is equals to 2, L is equals to 0 comma 1. So one is a circular orbit, one is a elliptical orbit. See here, one is a circular orbit. Whenever A and B both are equal, it is a circle. A and B are both are not equal, it is ellipse. Okay, so the electron states here, electron is revolving in the circular orbit in a condition of N is equals to 2, L is equals to 1, and electron is revolving in an elliptical orbit in a condition of N is equals to 2, L is equals to 0. Okay, so here the condition, what is the condition here? It is 1s. Okay, it is 2s, 2p. It is 3s, 3p, 3d. It is 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, right? So here it is, first of all, N is equals to 2, L is equals to 0 condition is what, Nana? 2s. Okay, it is 2s. And N is equals to 2, L is equals to 1. N is equals to 2, L is equals to 1. It is a 2p condition. Okay, so this is what about the electron energy states. Electron is revolving in the circular path and in an elliptical path in case of N is equals to 2. Now coming to the third condition, N is equals to 3, L is equals to 0, 1, 2. Okay, okay ma, next condition, N is equals to 3, L is equals to 0. Okay, so whenever N is equals to 3, the value of L is from 0 to N minus 1, right? So there are, whenever N is equals to 3, 3 minus 1, 2. So 0 to 2 means what? 0 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, so first condition, second condition, third condition. So in first condition I want to substitute the values, that is B by A is equals to L plus 1 means 0 plus 1 by 3. It is B is equals to A by 3. Okay, keep it aside. Next, B by A is equals to L plus 1 by N. N means 3. So B is equals to 2A by 3. Okay, and in this case what will happen? B by A is equals to L plus 1 by N. N is equals to 3. That is B is equals to 3A by 3 means 3 gets cancelled here. B is equals to A. So in this condition also, electron is in a circular orbit. Okay, in this case electron is circular, and in this case it is ellipse. It is also ellipse. So here I would like to draw the diagram like this. So first of all, circular orbit with a condition of N is equals to 3, L is equals to 2. Next, elliptical orbit with a condition of N is equals to 3, L is equals to 1, and next like this. Okay, it is N is equals to 3, L is equals to 0. Okay, now the orbits, you take the orbits. First of all, N is equals to 3, L is equals to 0. What is the orbit? It is 3s, next to 3p, next to 3d. Okay, like this. So 3s, 3p, 3d. Okay, these are the orbits. So here Sommerfeld explains that the electron is revolving around the nucleus in different states. Okay, in one case it is in a circular orbit, in another case it is in an elliptical orbit, in another case it is also in the elliptical orbit. So like this he has explained the different complex structures of spectral series. Okay, so here he considered that the value of L is equals to 0 means it is s orbital, value of L is equals to 1 means it is a p orbital, value of L is equals to 2 it is a d orbital, L is equals to 3 f orbital, L is equals to 4 it is a g orbital. So the orbital system can be introduced by the Sommerfeld, and he used these orbitals to place the electron in different states. This is what the electron is revolving around the nucleus in a different energy states. Thank you.